Hi, I'm myself from Pyrodigital, and in this video I will explain you how you can use the timecode modem that is integrated into the FCF field controller. You can use it to synchronize show director with your running script on the field controller. So you have your field controller running in showtime and you want to see show director running the lines with the time, then this is what you can use the timecode modem for. It is independent on which mode you are driving the field controller in, so you can use it in internal run, in FSK slave, in SMPTE slave, or in internal plus FSK master mode in autofire. So this doesn't make a difference. You can always synchronize from the machine to show director. In order to do this, you have to connect the USB cable to load table TCM timecode modem port, and of course the other side to the PC that you're running show director on. You then have to set up show director on the options for the timecode modem to PD-FSK. And important, you always have to set it up this way, and independent on if you're driving the field controller on SMPTE or internal run. Always set up show director to PD-FSK. So let's have a quick look how this is working. We have set it up show director and are ready to go. I go here to internal run and I start the script. So the script is now running and we can see show director is proceeding in time. Thank you for watching and check out our website pyrodigital.com. Hope to see you soon. Bye.